Hello U.S. history students, this is Coach Hawkins. In this video, I am going to walk you guys through the directions for the timeline portion of your project. First, it is important to understand what a timeline is. Here we have a pretty good example. It is a visual representation of an order of events happening over time. So if you look at this timeline, I can clearly see here at the bottom my dates. And I've got my events here at each point where they belong in time. And in this example, I can actually click on each event and get a picture and a short description. This is a really good timeline. So let's go back to our directions. So step one is going to occur during the research phase of your project. During the course of your research, you will need to find 10 to 15 events that have to do with your topic. So this is a look at your rubric. If you see here, these are the types of things that you should be looking for during your research. What is the history of your topic? How did we get to this point? Are there any groups associated with this topic? If there are, have they experienced any struggles? Has the government had any role in this topic? Are there amendments, laws, Supreme Court cases that have to do with your topic? Step 2 will take place after you've found your 10 to 15 events. You need to arrange them in the order that they happened. You will then need to create an original timeline using these events. Here I have provided you guys with some links to various instructions on how to create a digital timeline. For example, if you wanted to use Microsoft Excel, I've listed 5 on here. You do not have to use this format. Any timeline format is allowed as long as your work is original. Once you have built your timeline, step 3 will be to provide a description and an image for each of the events that you've chosen. So we'll go back to our example. For each of our events on here, we have an image and we have a short description of that event. Pay careful attention that you include the following things in your descriptions. We need to know what the event was, when it occurred, where it occurred, and who were the people involved in this event. And for your image, you may either create an original image, such as a drawing, or you can borrow something from online. But be sure that if you use an online image, you provide sources for the material. Once you have done those 3 things, your timeline is complete. Good luck.